Yo, you know what time it is.
It's unboxing time, folks. Perfect.
First off, I apologise. I just got home from work, so I'm pretty tired. This is more important right now. That steering rack is going to kill me, man. Alright, let's crack this open. And a bit smaller than the regular size parcel I would get. This one, I do know what some of the things are, and some of them are kind of vital to finishing off NooB. So we'll have a look to see what we got here. That doesn't sound good. Right, I think this is what I'm waiting for. So we'll leave that up here for now. First off, let's start with all the small parcels, like we normally do. Just casually using the coupe as a bench here. Now the frickin' knife isn't working. Hello? Blade now. Thank you. I got a short fuse today. It's been a long day. I bet you $10. This is a Choro Q toy. I'll eat my hat if it's not a Choro Q toy. Yes. A little black one. Some of you are expecting an update on what's going on with NooB. Obviously it isn't rain. There will be a video very soon explaining why it isn't on the road yet. But pretty much the new deadline is the 23rd of Feb for the All Japan Day, which will then give me 2 months to work out all the little issues and fine tune this thing ready for the Dubbo drive. Wish me luck, 40 crew. Wish me luck, I'm gonna need it. Another Choro Q. What? Are you even surprised at this point that there's Choro Qs? I mean it's what I do. I buy these friggin' things. I like them, alright? They're cool. This knife is crap. Why are all my knives crap? Oh my god, it's another green one. That is a blue one. So the first 4 parcels I've opened are little Choro Q RA40s. Man, I'm a little obsessed, yeah? It's definitely Choro Q. Is that RA40? What is this? Yes! I ended up buying, this is the second cop car I've got. These are cool. These are cool. I like getting the little unique ones like this. The cop car and the rally car. I've got a few of these now. They're not easy to find, that's for sure. It's another one, a green one, another green one. Don't get me wrong, I really like them. It's just I don't want the content for you guys filled with fucking Choro Qs. They're cool, I like them, but nobody else gives a shit. I really wish I did this somewhere I could just sit down and chill out. I'm tired, man. Salika, no doubt. Oh! I was just talking about the rally car one, wasn't I? There you go. That's the 3rd rally car I got. Bloody hell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7. 7 parcels opened that are Choro Q. Why even have an unboxing video if it's all the same? Trust me, hold out for it, I've got some cool shit to show. This knife is just not cutting, it's just tearing. I thought it was a Choro Q, but oh, it is a Choro Q, but it's not an RA40. I've already got one of these in chrome. 1st gen. Oh, that's another one of those bloody build it yourself model kit things. They're like subscription based, you get one a month or whatever. I've got heaps of volume 1, but I'll buy them anyway, because you know, if I'm able to piece more than one together, that would be great. Weighty. It's very heavy. It's past the parcel. Yeah, that joke was funny the first time. Oh dear, this is heavy, what the fuck is this? That's so cool, what is that, a pen holder? That's weighty, check this out. That's cool. How awesome is that? It's a pen holder. That's awesome. That'll go well with my my ashtray, my 3T GT ashtray. Ah, this will be for Dan. Dan the man. He got a bunch of books. Ooh yeah. I'm gonna have to borrow these from him because they have TT 141, 142 in it, so they might have info on the turbo motor in this thing and the wiring for the dash cluster too, which would be great. These are very clean. Makes me wonder if that's the same as the two I've got. I'm gonna go check in a second. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll keep all the bubble wrap, it's good to reuse this stuff. It's good for the environment, it's good for my wallet. Which one first? I reckon I know what that is, I'm going to save it till last. Let's have a suss of this. Oh, not again. Why would they put them in a big box like this? Man, that got me excited. More Choro Q. You guys don't care. What is this? Oh. What is this? That looks like MA61 actually. I reckon this will be something that's uploaded on the website if it's MA61. Because I don't collect MA61 stuff. But there's people out there that do, so they might be interested in this. I mean, that's pretty cool, but the box is stuffed. I don't know what it is it? Remote car? It's tin. Okay, so it's a push-along car. This is cool. And that's just so gimmicky. Oop. Cool little car, actually. I mean, I wasn't gonna keep it, but it's pretty cool. I might actually keep it anyway and just chuck it up with my other tin toys, because this is awesome. Heavy too. Bloody hell. Oh, and these boxes look familiar though. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I thought the box looked familiar. It looked like similar to the one that had the RA40 ashtray in it. So what is this? An AA, or is this? Oh, it's a Corona. It says Corona. Wow, look at that. That's nifty. That's so cool. Isn't that awesome? And this must be another one. Ooh, this one's in a wooden box, so this isn't original, I don't think. And okay, no, it's definitely original. Oh, this has the ashtray. This has the ashtray. Okay, I need to explain something to you all. Alright? Because I had an argument with some dude about this. Hi. Yeah, are you? Is the dog?
Oh, look at it.
I'm doing YouTube shit.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey Papa. No, he can say hi. Alright, so what's interesting with these is that they're a cigarette holder. Execs would probably have these in their offices. They would probably have these in dealership showrooms, just on tables with cigarettes in them. Back when smoking was cool. So they're cigarette holders. The thing I got in an argument about with some dude was because I had one listed as an ashtray, and he corrected me saying they were cigarette holders, and I was like, well yeah, this one has the ashtray in it. So you put your cigarettes here, and this is a removable ashtray. See? So there you go. Some of them have the ashtray, some don't. I know what this is. Fucking hell, they just covered this in tape, didn't they? It was like a whole roll of tape holding this together. Alright. This is an instrument cluster out of a Carina. Alright, what's interesting and why it's vital to NooB's build is because it has these little lights in the bottom. So the green one, I'm pretty sure is your boost, so it lights up when you're creating boost, and the red one's for your knock control. So it's gonna probably pain some people to hear that I'm gonna be pulling this dash cluster apart, but it is for a Carina, and they're so uncommon that I think I can get away with pulling this apart, using what I need to integrate it into my coupe, and not piss many people off maybe. We'll see. But yeah, so that is the piece to finish off NooB essentially. It should have everything I need to run these warning lights. I mean, it would be cool to just fit that whole dash cluster in there. We'll see. I kind of like the original dash cluster too much to go cutting up a dash and make that fit. One last thing before you go. I wanted to check out if this was the exact same book that I have in there, or if this is a different year or what. Because I actually cleaned all my books the other day. I reorganized all this. Alright, I'll chuck his there. T. Yeah, it's the same model. Yep, these two are the exact same book. Except that one's much nicer. This one's much nicer. So I think Daniel will be pretty happy with that. Now I gotta sort all this crap out. Alright guys, that's it for this unboxing. I know it wasn't a massive box of stuff today. A lot of it I did know what was coming. So it wasn't many surprises really. These were a surprise. I'm pretty happy about those. They're awesome. Whether I keep them or not, I'm not too sure. The little GA60 MA61 toy car is awesome as well. But the main thing I was waiting on was this dash. Man, that's cool. That is a very nice dash. It's going to be a shame to cut that up. I mean, it's very similar in design, like color-wise anyway. I could probably hack up a dash and fit this, but I'd rather not. I'd rather not. I like the original GT dash a lot better. But I will be using these warning lights. So unfortunately this might be wrecked once I'm done with it. We'll see. You never know. I might be able to salvage it and maybe sell it without the turbo lights and the little controller. I might be able to do something there. We'll see. We'll see if I can save it somehow. But yeah, that's it for now, everybody. And I will have a video out very soon giving you an update on the coupe. There's a good reason why it isn't on the road yet. You'll hear about it all soon, and the solution. Alright? So, new deadline, 23rd of Feb. This has to be running 23rd of Feb for the All Japan Day. Guys and gals, that's it. Catch you later.